It is normal that those who live through a dictatorship prefer a democracy. It's strange that in a democracy we cannot vote. Saying it isn't legal is something that neither the young nor the old can understand. It's normal. As normal as amending laws so that they represent the will of the people. For example, David Cameron has done this to give the Scots the right to vote. It's strange that the constitution of a country can be changed to calm financial markets, but it cannot even be interpreted in a more open way to meet the demands of a highly significant percentage of its citizens. And who's calling for a referendum? In Catalonia, which accounts for 16% of the population of Spain, 71%. In the Catalan Parliament, 79% of the members have been in favour. And even across Spain as a whole, there is more than a 47% support. It is normal to want to hold a referendum on independence if the people ask for it peacefully. And it is normal for the government to authorize it, just like Canada did with Quebec, Denmark with Greenland, and the United Kingdom with Scotland. It is normal to want to know what the majority opinion is, in the same way that it is normal to accept the results and follow the path that the people have chosen. 9 November. Voting is normal in a normal country.